Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche here, and we are rocking and rolling, guys. We have 4 drawings going on. Drawing number 22, we have sold 18. We have 22 left. That's for an MXL Raptor fully spooled. Drawing number 23 for the SX Raptor, we sold 16. We have 19 left. For drawing number 24 is a Team Hard Life rod, which is a custom blank or a custom rod that you get to pick the colors you want to get on there. We've sold 16 tickets, we have 15 left. And drawing number 25 for an LX Raptor, we have sold 7 tickets, we have 43 left. Now, on that note, broken guide, we fixed a tip for a customer the other day. We got a shipment in of tackle. What it is. I know what it is. Y'all don't know what it is.
Gotta buy. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call up the whole team.
Sorry guys, that was a bad joke. Bad joke, but to give you an idea. It's reals. Alright, so we've got an LX Raptor right here. Parts to check. Oh yeah. Got a red one there. Nice. We got another red LX. It's been a week. I'm already can't sleep, easily agitated or aggravated. I mean, I guess that's probably why I had such an itching fit about my banana split sundae that I could not get from Dairy Queen. Now, mind you, I've been getting it there for better part of 7-8 years. And they would not make me one. Well, it wasn't me, one of my workers went there, so on the by chance, maybe he didn't explain it correctly, but it's pretty hard to mess up. You know, I got to give him a little credit, but at the same time, too, it didn't work out for me yesterday. However, my subs were so generous enough to go out and prove that they exist by going out and getting some, sending me pictures. Yeah, yesterday was pretty rough. It was really rough for me. But we got something going today. Ooh, we got some LX Raptors in-house for sure. Boom, 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 boom. That is pretty. That is pretty pretty. Yes, sir. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh man, I'm sorry guys, I'm a little exhausted on that. Just ate lunch. Wasn't getting worried at all. I just knew something. I wasn't doing something correctly, and I was having a drag on there. Oh, what do we got here? We got a quad. T-Rex model Avid 50. That is a purple. Verified purple. Another purple. They're too beautiful. They're just really, really beautiful reels. And strong. Wow. Needless to say, that was a very expensive invoice. Very expensive. But you gotta spend money to make money, guys. So for us, it's something we gotta do here. So we've got a large inventory of LXs. We're waiting on the MXLs to become available. As soon as they will, we will get more in here. SXs are next after that. And we're gonna keep rocking and rolling. So we've got some of our YouTube subscriber winners that won on our 1 million views video. Let me better explain that, guys. One of our videos already hit 1 million views. It's already at 1,025,000 views already. So it was for that. As for our channel in general, we already passed up 5 million views for our channel. Yes, we are finally getting them numbers, and literally about 3 million of those views happened within this last year. Whatever we've got this year, within the last year, we've hit over 3 million views. So it's really growing. A lot of support from our subscriber base here. And again, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, be sure to turn on that notifications button after you subscribe. And we are a family-oriented channel. We press on pushing knowledge, learning, and helping each other out. If you want to be a troll, you can skid on to some other YouTube channel that don't care about their channel. We do. We try to help each other out. We try to learn as much knowledge as we can, and we're not perfect by any way, shape, or form. And you will see us see our mistakes. You'll see us fall, like I did on that last video. I nearly broke my ankle or my leg or something. It was pretty nasty. Luckily, I didn't. So with that, with that in mind, with our channel, we keep it as real as possible. Whether we go out and we catch, we go out and we don't catch, we go out and break a rod, it don't matter. We're going to show it to you because it is as real as it gets. And that's part of our series of Teach a Man to Fish, because we want y'all to know what, you can always see everybody's highlights, the big fish, big sharks, and this and that, but I'm going to show you what it takes to get there, and that's everything in between. Everything that everybody likes to hide, I don't hide it, I show it. Broken lines, broken rods, broken leaders, nearly broken leg. It's going to be there, guys. That's what we're about. We want y'all to know when you're getting into the sport, what to be expecting, what could happen, because that is real life fishing, guys, and that's what we are about. So welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. For the drawings, you can get at us. You can send money via Cash App. Each ticket is $20 a piece. Through Cash App, $Team Hard Life. You can send it through there. And what really helps, that way I don't have to keep raising the prices, is you put it as a gift, because what's going to end up happening, I'm going to end up paying higher taxes on the monies that come through the Cash App, which means I have to sell more tickets in order to compensate for that, because we are selling the the tickets as is for what it costs us to get that rod and reel combo or that custom fishing rod together for you. So like I said, that would help me out if you would do that. Make sure to include your cell phone number, because what we do is once we get the notification in, we go in there, we get your cell phone number, your name, we put it on there, and we shoot you a text message from one of our work phones here, so that way you can get verified on what tickets you are in and for which drawings. Now if you don't want to do that, you can call the shop 361-334-2171, and you can get in that way. So, or come by our shop, 1902 South Padre Island Drive, Suite A, Corpus Christi, Texas 78416. We are literally right off the highway on the feeder road. Just look for our big sign up on top. And I mean, I say big, it looks small from the road, but it is 22 feet long by 4.5 foot. I mean, it's huge. But when you're that high up, it's really not, man. And that thing cost us a boatload of cash to put it up there. But if not, call the shop. We'll give you directions, get you set up on that. So right now, I got to go fishing. I am going to take... What am I taking? I'm going to take this little combo here, testing out the Vexen rod, because we are going to go for some flounder. Ooh, flounder, flounder. Everybody says they're not here, so I'm going to go for some flounder because I wanted to go to the pier. However, the winds are picking up, and I might have to be back in about 2 hours to come pick up my kids if things don't go well with another vehicle. And if they don't, then I got to come back. So, yes, exciting, exciting. If you have questions on videos like not tying in this and that, do a little search on our channel for them. A lot of the videos and questions y'all are asking about, we've already done a lot of them that are already there, because that's how I originally started my channel, was knot tying 101, how to properly crimp, how to make leaders. I mean, I've done a lot of these videos already. Now I'm backtracking a little bit through each of the videos when I am doing something specific now, because I want you to see what the, like originally when, okay, this is how you crimp a leader. Well, putting that leader in motion and catching a big fish is where the end product comes to light. And so for us, we can show you, okay, the reason why we properly crimped it this way or did that and turned the hook direction a certain way on the leader was to do this. So that's where we show the end product. We not only show you the beginning, the middle, we show you the ending. So a lot of guys are really mad about that 1 million video, excuse me. They were saying we didn't show the fish. Well, technically we did show the fish. It came to the surface at the very end of the video. However, I had to stop to help the gentleman out because we were using a landing net to pull it up. So my camera that's like you right here, I had it off to the side. So it recorded everything. It just, I couldn't do both at the same time. So I had to cut that one off. And that's why you didn't get to see him actually holding that fish. But it is in the full length video, guys. It is there. So stay tuned. We are rocking and rolling, and it's 2022. We are hitting excellent numbers. And also too, I've really been thinking about this, and if we can hit 20,000 subs by the end of the year, I'm going to do another massive giveaway. And I remember where I wanted to do the 4 rods, 4 reels combo deal. I think it's going to happen. I really do want to pay it forward this year. Make an excellent Christmas gift. So we're going to have to cut it off about mid-Christmas, or mid-December, 1st of December time frame. And the reason being because I want the rods to be built, or we'll already have them built by then. We should already be caught up. We got 2 more rod wrappers in the mix to help us out on our workload here. And we got some news about that. It's coming up real soon. So stay tuned, guys. We are going to be rocking and rolling. Just to give you a heads up, I know in the other video it tells you a little bit of what I'm looking for in our other video shorts, where we are 300,000 views, 150,000, 180,000 views. Be commenting on those a lot too, guys, because once those hit 1 million too, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go off the comments. Now, to distinguish between what I've already given comment or given prizes away for, is now you're going to say 2nd million video comment, and then put whatever you're going to put in there. You know, shout out to our sponsors, how we helped you, or how you like the video. So keep it rocking and rolling, guys. We got so much work we got to do. Our shelves are filling up. We're starting to get back in it. I love it, but I gotta go. Bye.